In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up co-organizer breakout room management in Microsoft Teams. Open Microsoft Teams on your desktop and wait for the app to fully load so the navigation panel is visible. Once Teams is open, look to the left sidebar and click Calendar. This takes you to your meeting schedule where you can access the meeting you want to update. In the calendar view, find the meeting you want to use. When you see the correct meeting, double-click it to open the meeting details. This opens the meeting information inside Teams so you can change the settings tied to that event. On the right side of the meeting window, click Meeting Options. Teams will open the options page for that specific meeting. This is where organizer-level controls are managed, including who can take on additional meeting responsibilities. After the meeting options page opens, look to the left sidebar in that settings area and click Roles. The Roles section is where you control permissions for people involved in the meeting. In this area, find the setting labeled Choose Co-Organizers. Click the Choose Co-Organizers drop-down to open the participant list. You will now see the people available to assign in this meeting. Select the participant you want to make a co-organizer. Click their name so Teams adds that person to the co-organizer role. Once the participant is selected, click Save. This applies the change to the meeting settings and updates that person's role for this event. The selected participant is now a co-organizer. That means they share most organizer permissions in the meeting, including the ability to manage breakout rooms. This is the setting you need if you want someone else to help control breakout room activity during the session. If this helped, hit like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. That is how to set up co-organizer breakout room management in Microsoft Teams using the meeting's built-in role settings. The key part is assigning the person to meeting options under roles, then saving the change so Teams recognizes them as a co-organizer for that meeting.